What's up, Bixbyans? Today, I'll be demonstrating some Thanksgiving-related things that you can ask Bixby. Now, I will be using the wake word to wake Bixby up, but I'll be editing that wake word out of the video so I don't keep waking up your Bixby. A video on how to talk to Bixby will be in a card in the top right, as well as in the description below. Without further ado, let's get started. Find Thanksgiving recipes on Big Oven.
Here are some Thanksgiving recipes on Big Oven. Hungarian goulash takes 3 hours and 30 minutes to make and serves 4. Does this sound good? Leftover Thanksgiving turkey serves 4. Do you want to try that one?
Ask WikiHow how to stuff a Thanksgiving turkey.
Here's how to stuff a turkey for Thanksgiving. Step 1. Remove your turkey from its packaging. Look it over for any small pin feathers that may have been left behind when the turkey was plucked and remove them. Want to hear the next step?
Sure.
Step 2.
Find Thanksgiving themes for my phone. Ask the Weather Channel for the Thanksgiving Day forecast.
On Thursday in San Jose, it will be sunny with a high of 63 degrees and a low of 36 degrees.
Find some flowers for Thanksgiving.
I found some matches on 1-800-Flowers. The most popular option is Fields of Europe for Fall, starting at $39.99. Would you like this one?
Sure.
I found this flower option for Thanksgiving. Would you like to buy it?
Thanksgiving wrap.
This Thanksgiving wrap will have you soaring high. Who hasn't thought, on Thanksgiving Day, of those giant balloons at the big parade on Thanksgiving soaring high? It's your time to fly, sitting atop a turkey balloon floating through the sky. How you got up here's a mystery to you, but as parade seats go, you've got a perfect view. The crowds below are clapping, gasping, watching you soar, but the children want to join the fun and climb aboard.
Can we come up?
They ask, eyes wide with hope. Well, of course, you say, but we're gonna need a bigger float.
Tell me a Thanksgiving story.
Here's a story about a Thanksgiving tradition from a different perspective. Gil Gobbler, president of the turkeys, rose after a restless night of sleep. President's principles. He had a big and the turkey's feast was forever changed.
Wow!
Tell me a Thanksgiving fact.
America's first Thanksgiving Day football game was played in Philadelphia in 1869. But instead of using a field, the teams played at a cricket club. Let's talk vegan turkey. Since a soy-based turkey alternative was invented in 1995, over 5 million roasts have been sold. Today's turkeys are related to dinosaurs. Scientists say our feathered friends haven't changed much over the last 65 million years.
So there you go. Hopefully you've learned a few things that Bixby can do to supplement your Thanksgiving holiday. And just to wrap things up, I'm done recording.
Do Not Disturb is now off.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. That was a quick command. To learn how to do this, check out the video in the top left corner.